Below-grade sediment filtering devices just aren't good enough anymore. It's expensive, difficult, and just plain dangerous for workers to lift the grate, and limited sediment storage makes these devices prone to causing street flooding. We set out to take everything we've learned and design the next-generation inlet filtration device. Introducing the Grizzly Mat from HalenHardy. The Grizzly Mat offers unlimited sediment storage capacity. It's easier and safer to service and reduces the risk of street flooding. These benefits make it the choice for inlet filter sediment retention. Installation is quick and easy, and when it's time for servicing, washing off the Grizzly Mat for redeployment is just as simple. Strong, evenly distributed magnets keep the mat securely in place under heavy hydraulic flow conditions. The unique interior flow channel ensures high-performance filtration. Water moves freely through the device, while sediment and debris are prevented from entering the stormwater system. This mat goes even further in protecting the environment by grabbing other pollutants often found in roadway stormwater such as motor oil, hydraulic fluid, and radiator fluid. Built to last, the Grizzly Mat stands up to repeated vehicle traffic without compromising its integrity or performance. The Grizzly Mat is assembled with modular components. It can be easily designed for any inlet size and dimensions, making it as versatile as it is effective. But just how effective is it? Let's put it to the test. Existing test protocols just weren't stressful enough. We had to design our own stress test, something we call Thor's Hammer, an intense 90-minute simulation of a real-world storm event. This test isn't about lab tricks. It's about performance under pressure. Here are the questions we want answered. Does the device provide enough flow capacity? Does the bypass engage at the appropriate time? Does the street quickly and fully drain after the rain event? And does the device keep more than 80% of the sediment out of the inlet? Through 5 unique stages, we can assess the Grizzly Mat's performance to see how it holds up against a stressful real-world storm event. Stage 1 introduces moderate clean water to the rig. This mimics the beginning of a storm event, where initial rainwater flows into the storm drain before any sediment is picked up. Next, Stage 2 adds sediment and debris into the water while increasing hydraulic flow rate. The Grizzly Mat is starting to be put to the test. During Stage 3, clean water is introduced at a higher flow rate to try to wash through the sediment. Now comes Stage 4, where we see maximum hydraulic flow with more sediment and debris. Near the end of Stage 4, after enough sediment has been introduced and the water level begins to rise, the Grizzly Mat's bypass mechanism is observed. This mechanism allows water to flow directly into the storm drain to avoid a complete drainage block, which would lead to street flooding. All surfaces of the Grizzly Mat are now engaged. During Stage 5, clean water is introduced to again try to wash through the sediment. Once the storm event has ended, we check to see how long the Grizzly Mat takes to drain any remaining water from the rig. The test has ended, and it's now time to evaluate the Grizzly Mat's performance. Looking back at the initial questions, let's evaluate the Grizzly Mat's performance. The Grizzly Mat demonstrated ample flow capacity under sediment load. The bypass engaged at the appropriate time. The street fully drained in about 6 minutes, and the Grizzly Mat kept 89.8% of the sediment out of the inlet. The future of inlet protection is here. Easy to use, engineered for the storm. The Grizzly Mat by HalenHardy.